Hey gearheads, welcome back to the channel. Today, we will be discussing a very interesting topic on how to perform a compression test. Imagine this. You've been driving for years, and suddenly your car starts feeling weak. The engine struggles up hills, burns more fuel, or even misfires. Before rushing to buy expensive parts, there's a simple, powerful test you can do at home: the compression test. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to perform a compression test, why it's important, and how to understand the results so you can tell if your engine is still strong or if it's trying to tell you something. A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share the video. So, let's begin. What is a compression test? A compression test measures the pressure each cylinder builds when the piston compresses the air-fuel mixture. Think of it as checking how strong your engine's lungs are. A healthy engine has strong, even compression across all cylinders. A weak or uneven reading could mean worn piston rings, leaky valves, or even a blown head gasket between cylinders. It's a simple test, but it can reveal serious hidden problems. What you'll need. To perform this test, you'll need a compression tester gauge, affordable and available at most auto stores, a ratchet and spark plug socket, a battery that's fully charged, and optionally, a remote starter switch. Makes life easier, but not required. That's it. Nothing too fancy. Step 1. Warm up the engine. Start by running the engine for a few minutes. Why? Because compression readings are more accurate when the engine is at operating temperature. Once warm, shut it off safely and pop the hood. Step 2. Remove the spark plugs. Next, remove all the spark plugs. This prevents the engine from starting during the test and allows it to crank freely. Be careful here. Use the right socket and don't rush. You don't want to damage the threads. Step 3. Disable fuel and ignition. Now disable the ignition and fuel system. We don't want fuel spraying or sparks flying while we crank the engine. Most cars let you do this by pulling the fuel pump fuse and disconnecting ignition coils. A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share the video. Step 4. Insert the compression tester. Screw the compression tester into the first cylinder spark plug hole. Make sure it's snug. Air leaks will give you false readings. Step 5. Crank the engine. Now crank the engine over about 5 to 8 revolutions, or until the gauge needle stops climbing. Check the reading, then reset the gauge. Repeat this process for each cylinder, one by one. What the numbers mean. A healthy engine usually shows 125 to 175 psi per cylinder, though it varies by vehicle. What matters most is consistency. Readings should be within about 10% of each other. If one cylinder is much lower, it may point to worn piston rings, leaky valves, or even a blown head gasket between cylinders. And that's it. That's how to perform a compression test. It's simple, it's affordable, and it can save you hundreds in unnecessary repairs. Remember, even compression means a healthy engine. Low or uneven readings are a sign to dig deeper. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. Your support will help keep the content coming. Stay safe and see you in the next one.